Hi, hello everyone. This is Venkat again here. Today we'll talk about breaking mental barriers. This is a story about one of the great athletes, Roger Bannister. If you think you can, I think you can. But if you think you can't, I think you're right, you can't. This is a journey which dates back to the 1950s. During that time, it was believed that no human could run a mile in under 4 minutes. The record was held by a Swedish gentleman, Gunder Haegg, which was set in 1945, which stood at 4 minutes and about, I think, 1.4 seconds. The various doctors, athletes, sports experts, everyone agreed that the 4 minute barrier just cannot be broken without causing physical harm, to the body. But on this eventful day of 6th of May 1954, Roger Bannister shattered the 4 minute mile barrier by running the mile in about 3 minutes 59.4 seconds. And when he touched the finishing line, the entire crowd went berserk. Roger ran the mile well under 4 minutes, and he did actually the impossible. His body did what nobody could believe. This achievement defied the self-limiting belief that a mile cannot be run under 4 minutes. Roger accomplished which no other athlete in the history had done. He did that without the advancement. Did he become much stronger? Not really. But their advancement of technology, or some enhancement of training methods? I don't think so. But Roger achieved all this, and despite this, by just breaking his mental barrier. In fact, his closest rival, John Landy, had actually run his personal best at 4 minutes and 1.5 seconds till then. And once Roger had broken this record of running a mile in less than 4 minutes, within 56 days, John himself went ahead and broke that record. And that's not all. By the year 1957, 16 other runners, had broken the 4 minute barrier. So the mental barrier of not being able to run the 4 minute mile was completely smashed. So we all have mental beliefs about what we cannot achieve, which actually is limiting our success. These self-imposed barriers are basically the artificial fences that restrict our efforts and actually hold us back. The key actually to progress lies in breaking these mental barriers and daring to dream the impossible. So life is actually about leaping over those barriers, shattering them, and basically embracing them to our full potential. Now I want to ask you a question. What is your 4 minute barrier, and what's holding you back? So think about it. Go and shatter that barrier today. I'll repeat again. If you think you can, you can. And if you think you cannot, you cannot. That's right. Now, write in the comments below, what is your limiting barrier, and when would you break that? If you like this video, please click the button below and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll get a notification as soon as a new video is released. If you're interested in gaining more insights and wanting to grow personally, please join my special workshop, which shall be held shortly, by clicking the link for the workshop in the comments below. And that's all for today. Until next time, this is Venkat again signing off, and goodbye.